If a toddler can speak fluent Chinese without learning any grammar, so can you. In the last lesson, we learned how to express I didn't sleep well. 我没睡好. In this lesson, we're about to learn how to ask, how about you? 你呢? This sentence is really simple. It's made of 2 words only. The first word means you, 你. The first word is 你. That means you. We learned this word in the past. Please repeat after me. 你, 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 你. The second word, 呢, has no meaning at all. And the tone is really light. 呢. Generally speaking, it's used at the end of a sentence. In this case, it's a question. 你呢? Please repeat after me. 你呢? 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 Do you remember that to master Chinese, you need to master the tone? So when you practice, try to mimic how I said it. Let's practice what we have just learned in the conversation. Did you sleep well? Yes, I did. How about you? No, I didn't. Please repeat after me. 你睡得好不好? 我睡得好，你呢？我没睡好。Let's do it one more time. 你睡得好不好？我睡得好，你呢？我没睡好。One more time. 你睡得好不好？我睡得好，你呢？我没睡好。Let's do it one more time. Practice makes perfect, right? Ready? Let's go. 你睡得好不好？我睡得好，你呢？我没睡好。Well done. Please practice after class. Remember, the more you practice, the better you get. Please don't forget to give me a thumb up and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so. I appreciate your support. See you next time.